Okay, no wonder this smells and looks so gorge. The Jimmy Nardello Italian pepper has been coveted by the slow food movement. Beautiful pepper that was grown in southern Italy and brought to Connecticut, and now is a Hall of Famer. Beautiful Italian Jimmy Nardello, it was named after the family who brought them their fourth son here from southern Italy. And these are heavy and thick-fleshed frying peppers and drying peppers. Frying and drying. Well, here are my Jimmy Nardello peppers, safe and sound at home. I've already got some soaking. I just have them sitting here decoratively on my table. But I've got them soaking in some water, and I'm going to show you how I process them so we can make our sausage and pepper sandwiches. Okay, so after a good long soak, I split them. You can split them by hand or with a knife. I knock the seeds out. I label the seeds to save for planting. And I'll continue doing that until all my peppers are done. The fresh peppers, I'll save the seeds. And then you can just split them by hand and tear them like so, or you could just run a knife. I like to cut them lengthwise, but you know, you can cut them however you like. I'll cut these with my knife. And it's nice to have, sometimes have the green and the red, but you get the idea. Now I'm going to prep the onions, and I'm gonna put just a tiny little bit of garlic, maybe just one clove, and I'm gonna get the sausage going. But I did want to show you with these beautiful heritage seeds, you can save the seeds and plant them again next season. Okay, got my prep done. It's very simple prep. The only thing I'm going to be using is a good quality oregano. By good quality oregano, I mean the kind that you kind of have to rub your fingers over, or you just shake it into the pot. I've got 2 sweet and 2 hot Italian sausages, my red onion, of course, our peppers, and a little red wine vinegar. I have my pan, my cast iron pan, already preheating with oil. So let's get on to it. I might also add just a few, and I literally mean a few really pretty tomatoes that I have, some little cherry tomatoes from my garden, and just let them kind of pop in there. Oops, I forgot to say 2 garlic cloves that I'm just gonna push through my garlic press. And into the pot they go. This is gonna make 2 sandwiches. When your sausage is adequately browned, but it's still gonna be raw in the middle, now it's time to add our onions and the peppers. I'm not going to add the garlic just yet because I don't want it to burn, and this still needs to soften up and cook a little bit. Okay, I added the tomatoes. I want them to kind of burst just to give me a little bit more of a saucy structure, and everything is on low because I want the peppers to impregnate the sausage and get nice and aromatic. So keep an eye on this because the sausage is still raw in the center. This is a fresh sausage. Smells so good. The next step is to add the oregano in about, 2 minutes. I have my oven preheated at 350. because I'm going to serve the sausage and pepper in a roll, and I have the roll just with a little bit of provolone cheese. And my husband said he just wants one sandwich right now. He's watching football, so I'm sure. And I'm going to serve this with a little cucumber style salad, and I'm sure he can have it later if he gets hungry later on. This would be wonderful on the grill. If you did them on the grill, then you would just leave the peppers whole. Okay, time for the garlic. And then my husband's gonna help me with the oregano because it takes 2 hands to do that. And then I'm just gonna scrape this off with a knife. Okay, now it's time to make it rain with the oregano. More. I want to get a good amount. Back inside.
Can you just drop some over here in this corner? Back up a little bit.
My face hot? Alright, that's good.
Well, what are you doing over here, though?
I'm gonna mix it. Okay, time to add a little bit of salt. At this point, if you want it spicy, you can add some red chili flake or whatever pepper of your choice. This is a very mild pepper. It just has a lot of fragrance and not a lot of heat. The final thing I'm going to do is add a little splash of red wine vinegar. Okay, here comes the red wine vinegar. Add as much as you want. I just want to perk it up. Red wine vinegar and peppers are delish. I'm going to let that cook down, and my roll with my provolone is already in the oven, so it's just going to be a few minutes now. Not even, maybe a minute or 2. I've turned off the heat now on the pan. I'm going to let these sit just so everything can kind of come together. I'm going to get my salad out, plate it, and by the time that's ready, I'm also going to take my bread out of the oven now, and by the time that's all ready and plated, I'm going to get this out and we'll see how my husband likes it. Okay, I have the roll and the salad. Now it's time to plate it up. Want it to stick out a little bit. It's important to have this oily, like lots of good oil. And save some for the next one if he decides to eat it. I doubt it very seriously. And if he doesn't eat it tonight, I'll cook it up with some eggs in the morning for him. There's always a stubborn one. Okay. Well, that's it. Let's see, let's call him. Look, there are the peppers, so he can be close to the source. This is what my table looks like right now. Loaded with pumpkins and stuff. All right, let's call him and get his reaction. What do you think?
Looks fantastic.
That's great.
This doesn't taste like your regular sausage and pepper, does it?
That was crazy.
This is crazy amazing, isn't it? Because normally it's made with regular bell peppers. Capsicum, like they say. I left your napkin right next to you.
This is great.
Is it distinctly different?
Yeah. This is amazing.
You think you're gonna want another one?
That's probably gonna fill me up.
Or you want the rest for breakfast?
That may happen. I might dip later.
I knew it. Okay, I'll leave you alone now. You look like you're really into this. You're closing your eyes?
My mouth is so happy.
Well, there it is. We'll leave him alone for now. But those are the peppers, and let's see. So if you want to get these seeds for yourself, you go to Rare Seeds, Baker Creek, and then you order the seeds. And then you too can enjoy this amazing sandwich. Somewhere, it's in there somewhere. I've got lots of peppers to play with. No pun intended. Let's see.
My favorite are these.
The pumpkins?
No, these peppers.
Oh, the ones you grew? All right, that's it. These are the ones that you can get out of this catalog. So enjoy. If you do buy them, make this, or have eaten these peppers, please let me know what you think. Good night and goodbye, sir. He said he's not eating the salad because he's not going to ruin his... What did you say?
I'm not gonna ruin this. No
Well,
way.
don't serve this with a salad. That's what I would recommend. You don't make friends with salad, right? Don't make friends with salad. All right. Until next time, this time for real.